Are you looking for a side hustle that'll finally let you stop having to punch that clock for a paycheck? If you want to fire your boss and start working when you want, then you need to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell, because this channel is all about helping you get back to that better quality of life and finally stop depending on that 40-hour time suck. My name is Thad Levin, and thank you for checking out Thad's Affiliate Tactics. Now, if you're watching this video, you've probably been told in the past that side hustles are all just about testing websites or taking surveys or loaning some stranger your car in order to make a few bucks on the side, right? If so, go ahead and leave a comment below, yes or no. Now, see, the problem with your day job is that chances are it may pay the bills, but you're always going to be dependent on that employer to determine what your time is worth, all while anxiously awaiting Friday so you can get back to enjoying your life. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down for you 5 different side hustles that can finally break you free from that cycle and get back to enjoying life and not have to just get through the week in order to do so. Now let's jump into this thing as we start to break down side hustle number 1. So the first side hustle I want to share with you today is what they call freelancing. Now, you've probably heard of freelancing before. It's probably something that you've heard in passing, or maybe you're completely familiar with it. And chances are, if you're anything like I was when I first started my journey online, you automatically think, oh, you need some type of special education, you need some special certificates, or some special set of skills in order to do freelancing. Now, I'm about to share with you how we were both completely wrong. In fact, I'm about to show you that all you're going to need is the simple skills you have and the knowledge you already possess, all to start making profits online, all completely free. In fact, there's people on Fiverr and other freelance sites that are just singing people happy birthday, making little happy birthday videos and making money while doing so. All right, so let's jump into Fiverr real quick. I'll show you a couple of quick examples of how the simple skills can actually be sold doing freelancing without having any special certificates or some special skill or degree in order to do so. So as you can see on your screen, like I told you, just doing something like singing happy birthday or making a quick happy birthday video can actually be sold for a profit on Fiverr.com. Not to mention, you can use some of your creative skills, which I'll show you a free way to do that by making ebook covers or ebook formats, all also doing this completely free, and you can actually template this type of stuff out. Or if you're already proficient at things like data entry or being a virtual assistant, all those things are actually available to start doing freelance work as well. Or maybe you're into spirituality and you can even cast spells or success spells or any type of other spells. I don't know, whatever might be floating your boat. You can all do all that through freelancing. So now that I've showed you a few examples, it's kind of eye-opening at the real possibilities of how you can start marketing your own skills and start making money online. If so, go ahead and smash that like button below. Now it's time to jump into side hustle number 2. Now, side hustle number 2 is actually creating miniature courses, all using, the knowledge and the skills that you already possess, and then uploading those skills via video onto sites like udemy.com or skillshare.com. And the great thing about this is this actually becomes a passive income goldmine, because once you've uploaded these videos, they stay up there forever and you can actually begin to make revenue from them for the lifetime that they stay on that website. So you're probably asking yourself, what kind of videos do you make? What kind of things do you even talk about? Well, it's actually as simple as this. See, if you know how to speak a foreign language, maybe you know how to cook a delicious meal, do some martial arts, maybe even set up your own home bar, you can actually make short 30-minute videos explaining and teaching people how to do these things, and then they will actually pay you for those miniature courses, and then you can start making profits, all from the knowledge you already possess. As an added benefit, you can upload as many videos as you can think about doing and that you have knowledge about, and they continue to make more and more passive income revenue streams. So let's jump into side hustle number 3. Now, this side hustle is very similar to side hustle number 1, but the difference is you'll actually get paid on a retainer. And I'm not talking about that gross thing you used to wear as a kid. See, what a retainer is where you actually go under contract with these companies and actually perform tasks for them over a duration of time. Could be weeks, could be months, all while making you revenue where you work when you want to on your schedule from anywhere as long as you have the internet. Now, what kind of tasks are these? Well, in actuality, it could be anything from just doing simple writing emails, handling customer service, or even like I landed within 2 weeks of starting this side hustle. I actually became a social media influencer where all I had to do is just create a LinkedIn profile, and then the company actually paid me to use that profile to market their own services. And the great thing about that is literally 99% passive income for me. It only took 2 weeks in order for me to land that gig. Now, it may not take you as short a time, it may take you even shorter time, but either way, the more applying you do, the more likelihood of you actually landing a gig where you can start making money and start working when you want to. All right, now it's time to jump into side hustle number 4. Now, this side hustle is all about using creativity. What I mean by that is you actually create simple designs or elaborate ones and then actually start selling it via merchandise on sites like Amazon, Redbubble, Etsy, or other online e-commerce websites. Now, what this is called print on demand. And these designs could be applied to anything from just stickers, phone cases, pillows for the house, hoodies, t-shirts, hats, whatever you can put it on, you can actually sell. Now, the great thing about this is it costs absolutely nothing for you. You can create these designs free, and then the companies actually handle all the inventory, all the shipping, all the returns, any payment processing, and all the other headaches that come with actually selling merchandise online. And to show you how minimal effort this actually takes, I'm going to jump onto canva.com and kind of walk you through how to create a simple design that you can actually put on a t-shirt or any of the other merchandise that I've spoken about. So let's jump into Canva real quick. I'm going to show you how you can actually use it for freelancing gigs and print on demand gigs, not to mention as a helpful tool for affiliate marketing as well. So as you see on your screen, this is what it's going to look like when you sign up for Canva. It's completely free, and you can also upload stuff of your own in order to further optimize using Canva to accomplish your tasks. Now, the way to optimize it if you're going to be choosing to do freelancing and using Canva in order to do freelancing gigs, you can create things like ebooks, you can create things like YouTube thumbnails, you can even create journals and other simple designs that you can actually sell as freelance work. Now, as you can see on here, it all has it pre-templated out, exact to the size you will need in order to create something simple like a YouTube thumbnail. And you have all these different templates, as you can see on your screen, to choose from. Now, to show you just how quick and easy and simple it is to use Canva, we're going to start with something blank. Now, as you can see on the left-hand side of the screen, you can add different things like backgrounds, text, you can upload your own pictures, you can use different elements, not to mention you can actually use any of the templates they have available and just customize it to make it fit for whatever project you may be working on. So as you can see on your screen, it's simple as just clicking on something, dragging it over to the available space, and customizing it as you see fit. You can resize things, move it around, make it bigger, make it smaller, change the color of the font, change the size, change the way it looks. It really is all about how creative you can make it. And the great thing about it is free to use. So now that I've kind of given you a brief overview of how to use it for something like freelancing, let me show you how you can use it for something like print on demand. Perfectly sized to create your own t-shirts or hoodies or something of that nature. And if you decide you want to do something like a high ticket retainer gig, they actually offer social media preset templates. That way you can create like Instagram posts, Facebook posts, so on and so forth. That way, if you land one of these high ticket retainer gigs, when it comes to social media management, you can actually create all your designs in Canva for free and actually schedule it inside of Canva also for free. And again, it's literally just picking a template and then customizing it to make it fit for what you're trying to accomplish. So now that we've touched on Canva a little bit, let's jump back into these side hustles. If you're digging this and you're finding value in it and you're blown away of how simple it is to start these side hustles, go ahead and smash that like button. Leave me a comment below that you're feeling it, and let's move on to side hustle number 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now, side hustle number 5 is one of my personal favorites and another one that I actively do, and that is what's called affiliate marketing. Now, what affiliate marketing is where you actually partner with companies and then promote their products, which already exist. So you don't have to create your own. You don't have to worry about any of the headaches that come along with creating your own product. And then you actually promote that product to people who are actively looking for it. And then if they happen to make a purchase, you get paid a commission. Now, these products or services could range anywhere from just simple backpacks to softwares to gaming systems to lighting. 99% of the time has an affiliate program in which you can join and actually start promoting those products or services with companies like Bass Pro Shop, Amazon, Target, Walmart, or even Apple. Now, while this side hustle does cost a little bit of money on a month-to-month basis, could be less than $50 a month, that means your profits could be definitely in the 99 percentile range. Now, since you've actually stayed with me all the way through all 5 of these side hustles, I want to give you a sweet bonus. But first, let's recap and go over these 5 side hustles I've shared with you today, and then I'm going to share with you how you can maximize those results and get the clarity you need. So let's recap. Side hustle number 1 was freelancing, where you use your own skill set and the own knowledge you have in order to start making profits online completely for free. Side hustle number 2, which was creating mini courses, also using the knowledge and skills you already have, and then creating miniature courses to where it becomes a passive income stream. Now, side hustle number 3, which was one I shared that I actually do, is the landing those high ticket retainer gigs, and then you'll be actually paid over the duration of the retainer. Now, side hustle number 4, which was print on demand, where you create simple designs and put them on anything from phone cases to t-shirts, upload them onto sites like Amazon, and then get paid profits, all from just using a little bit of creativity. And then side hustle number 5, which was affiliate marketing, where you partner with other companies, promoting their products in order to gain profits. So now it's bonus time. Now this is where it gets sweet. Now, as a bonus, since you stayed all the way through this, through the recap and through all 5 side hustles, I want to show you exactly how you can gain clarity in order to actually start seeing results with these side hustles, as well as my own personal essential guide to tool setup. And this is all going to be given to you if you click the link in the description, where I'll be giving you free access to my course and a way for you to maximize results, on top of having complete access with me. Now, if you're ready to take the steps to go from complete beginner all the way to start building that quality of life and that time freedom that you really want, then click that link in the description, and then I'll see you in the next video.